bold, spicy, and bursting with Goan flavors. This chicken cafreal is pure comfort on a plate. Let's make it from scratch. Here's everything you'll need: fresh mint leaf, coriander, green chillies, spices, and of course, chicken. Simple ingredients but packed with flavors. Here I am using two full chicken legs with thighs, one with bone for extra flavor, and one boneless for a juicy tender bite. Make a few deep cuts so the marinade goes right in. Let's start with the first marination. Add turmeric powder, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon freshly crushed black pepper, Goan toddy vinegar, about 4 tablespoons, salt to taste. This step builds the base flavor and tenderizes the chicken beautifully. Give it a good mix and let it rest while we prepare the masala. Now for the heart of this dish, the cafreal masala. Into a mixer jar, add 1 cup fresh mint leaves, half a cup of coriander leaves, 3 green chillies. The main spice of this dish comes from peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 cloves for flavor, 1-inch cinnamon stick, and 3 teaspoons of peppercorn, 30 grams of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 20 grams of ginger, and 1 small onion sliced. Grind everything into a smooth, vibrant green paste. This is where all the magic happens. Add this fresh masala to the chicken and coat it really well. Make sure it gets into every cut. Marinate for at least 2 hours, but if you have time, overnight is the best for maximum flavor. Our chicken is nicely marinated. Heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. This gives the most authentic taste. But you can use any oil if you like. Start with the bone-in chicken first. Let it cook on low heat for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it over and cook on the other side. Now add the boneless piece. Cook for 2 minutes, then flip. Pour in your leftover marinade, cover and let it cook gently until the chicken is nice, tender, and juicy. While the chicken cooks, let's prep the sides. Slice red and yellow bell peppers into roundels, followed by onion and some parboiled potatoes. No chicken cafreal is complete without potatoes. In another pan, add a teaspoon of oil. Add the onions first and then the bell peppers and saute on high heat. Add a little salt for seasoning and saute until soft but still crunchy. Remove them and in the same pan fry the potatoes. Season with salt and flip. Check on the chicken, beautifully cooked, coated with rich green masala and smells incredible. Time to plate. Add the sautéed vegetables on one side and in another plate add your potatoes. Place the chicken on the other side. Garnish with some onion rings and lemon and ready to serve. And there you have it, flavor-packed chicken cafreal made right at home. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reel to Meal, and thank you for watching.